It's just a few questions. It'll be fine. Yeah, I've heard the stories that he never sleeps and shaves with the machete. It's all just hearsay. I love you too, honey. Okay, bye-bye.
Were you talking about the boss there?
Oh, just yeah, I was just talking. Like, my wife, she believes everything she reads on the internet. But I wouldn't worry about it too much. Have you not heard about the boss?
No, what?
I hear that he gets facial reconstructive surgery every 6 months after facing a pack of ravenous wolves.
Oh, well, that's not that bad.
I've also heard he's fireproof, and that he makes men literally choke on their words.
What? How?
I guess that's what 20 years as a drill sergeant does to you. But honestly, I wouldn't worry about it too much.
Derek?
Well, hey, it looks like that's me. Don't freak out. You'll do great, even with an old cowboy as the boss.
Good luck.
Right this way.
Thanks. You'll do great, even with an old cowboy as the boss.
What happened?
It's true. All of it.
That's good. So, Mr. Shepard, is it?
So could you tell us a bit about...
Wouldn't you like to know, pretty boy?
So, why do you want this position?
I don't. That's why you need me.